Do you ever wonder if there's a simple way to build online income without it taking over your whole life? Because that's why so many moms, dads, and empty nesters are really looking for not another complicated business model, not more pressure, just something clear, something doable, something that fits your real life. And that's what we're going to talk about today. When most beginners search for the simplest online business to start, they're not asking for some shortcut. They're asking for something that finally makes sense, something that doesn't require learning 100 tools, posting all day, or feeling like they're constantly behind. And honestly, that's the difference between a business you try for 2 weeks and a business you can actually stick with. Here's the problem. A lot of online business advice is built for people who have unlimited time and energy. It assumes you can hustle nonstop. It assumes you can figure everything out as you go. It assumes your life isn't already full enough. But if you're in a season where you want more peace, not more pressure, that kind of business model is going to feel heavy fast. Let me say this clearly. Simple does not mean lazy. Simple means structured. The simplest online businesses have a clear path. You know what you're doing. You know what comes next. You're not reinventing the wheel every day. That's what real people are really craving: clarity. One of the biggest reasons beginners quit isn't because they aren't capable, it's because they feel mentally exhausted. They sit down and they think, what should I post? What should I sell? Do I need a website? Do I need social media? Am I doing this wrong? That constant guessing wears you out. But a simple system removes the guessing. It gives you steps to follow instead of confusion to manage. The simplest online business to start usually has a few key qualities. You're not creating products from scratch. You're not dealing with inventory. You're not working all day. Instead, you're learning a proven system and taking small, consistent steps that build over time. That's what makes it realistic, my friend, especially if you have limited time, limited energy, or you're just tired of complicated things. I get it. By the way, if we haven't met yet, I'm Lori. I'm a former teacher, a married empty nester, mom of four, and someone who really values time, peace, and building a legacy for my family. I've been in the online space for years and I've built businesses I truly enjoyed, but I kept running into the same frustration. I was working so hard, learning constantly, and still not seeing income that matched the effort. It didn't fit my health or my life. I didn't want another hustle. I wanted something simpler. A few months ago, I learned about master resale rights. That means you can purchase a digital product once and resell it as your own, keeping 100% of the profit. There's no inventory, no creating products from scratch, no customer service headaches. I also learned about high dollar digital products. These are premium educational products that solve real problems, and instead of needing hundreds of small sales, you earn more from fewer sales. The system I'm using is simple. You don't need a degree or experience. You just need your phone, Wi-Fi, and about 2 hours a day. And one of the biggest reasons this has felt so different for me is the community behind it. This isn't something you're trying to figure out alone, wondering if you're doing it right. We're part of a digital growth community with over 58,000 members. And what I love about that is you're surrounded by everyday people, moms, dads, empty nesters, beginners, people in all different seasons of life, all learning the simple system step by step. Our mentor sends daily coaching videos that literally tell you what to do next, even if you're starting from zero. So instead of feeling overwhelmed or stuck, you feel supported. It's not just a business model, it's a clear path with real people walking it with you. And that has been such a gift for me. If this is helping you feel a little more clear or hopeful, make sure you subscribe. I post new videos each week to help moms, dads, and empty nesters build simple online income without all the stress. And grab the free Freedom Formula blueprint in the description below. It lays out the system step by step. This isn't just about money. It's about how you want your days to feel. Do you want constant pressure or do you want room to breathe? Do you want another thing that drains you or something that supports your family? The simplest online business is the one that fits into your life, not the one that takes it over. Simple is easier to stick with long term, and that's how real progress happens quietly, consistently, one step at a time. If I were starting over today, I would do one thing. I'd choose one proven system and I'd stop chasing new ideas every week. That alone removes so much pressure because clarity always comes before confidence. If this video helped you, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to grab the free Freedom Formula blueprint linked below. You're not behind. You're just looking for something simple that finally makes sense. And that's a great place to start. Check out this next video.